You are welcome to Safuba Foods TV. How to make tea with milk powder. You need hot water. Then pour 1 glass of water according to your stomach or according to the quantity you want. Then divide it by 2. Scoop 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 teaspoons of milk powder and then mix it. One disadvantage of using milk powder is that you are going to experience behind your back. If you are using cocoa powder for the milk powder tea, the cocoa powder should be less than the milk powder. It means if you are scooping 4 teaspoons of milk powder, the cocoa powder should be at least 2 teaspoons or 1. Minimum 1, maximum 2. Or you can scoop 1.5 teaspoon. The cocoa powder already has sugar in it, so there is no need to add sugar. Probably you are going to drink it with bread, and bread, especially white bread, has no fiber in it, so you need to add salad to make it a balanced diet. If you are going to drink it raw with the bread, then it is almost like a junk food, so you need to add at least a fiber fruit or something to it.